Let me ask you a slightly strange question. If you opened your iPhone right now, could you see all the places you've been to before? The surprising thing is that there's a feature inside the iPhone that records the places you visit frequently. Your home, your work, and sometimes places you go to often. And the strange part, this feature is enabled on many phones, and people don't even know it exists. Let me show you where this setting is and why Apple created it in the first place. This feature is called Significant Locations. You can access it on your phone through Open Settings. Then go to Privacy and Security. Then Location Services. After that, scroll down and choose System Services. Here you will find the option Significant Locations. It may ask for Face ID or your passcode. Before you decide to turn this feature off or leave it on, let's first understand what it is and what it does. Significant Locations is part of the location system on the iPhone. The idea is that the phone learns the places you visit frequently. For example, home, work, places you visit often. The goal is to improve certain features such as Maps suggestions, estimated arrival time, some system services. Apple says that the data is encrypted and stored only on the device. But many people don't even know that this list exists. Some users also don't like this feature because it means the phone remembers your usual movements, even if the data is stored only on the device. That's why many people simply decide to turn it off. Personally, I'm going to turn it off. You can turn it off from here. You can also choose Clear History to delete the recorded locations. Finally, did you actually know that the iPhone records the places you go? Write in the comments. Will you leave this feature on or will you turn it off? And if you liked the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel, because in the next video I'll show you a setting on the iPhone that allows some apps to detect nearby devices. And most people don't even know it exists.